Alright guys, so we're topping off the fluid on a Kia Forte and it's alright guys, we jacked the car up. We're gonna go ahead and take off the skid plate so we could check the alright guys, we got the skid plate off. So now we have access. Alright guys, so we checked it and fluid did come out of it. We got the fill drain right here. Alright guys, we got the new drain. Alright guys, we're going through the gears. Alright guys, so we added fluid and the noise didn't go away. So when there's wheel play
Area, and I went into the bathroom and it was all dark. Yeah. Road, I didn't know which way to go. I could have ended up back in North Carolina. Oh no.